At Access, overhead solutions doesn't just mean the garage doors you've trusted for decades. We also offer overhead storage and high-quality rolling curtain systems for homes and businesses. Turn unused headroom into organized space with hoist-type, motorized or manual systems or heavy-duty rack storage. Stow seasonal decor and tools and reclaim valuable floor space. Our high-quality rolling screens, shades, and vinyl curtains help you thoroughly enjoy your deck, patio, or any other type of space. They keep out what you don't want, come in a variety of materials and finishes, and offer remote and app operation or even manual operation types for long-lasting performance. Access provides expert garage door products and services, from highly custom to value series doors and openers, installed and backed by our lifetime installation warranty. Homeowners, builders, and business owners trust Access. Click the button here to receive an obligation-free residential or commercial consultation with our local experts for garage doors, storage, or rolling curtains. For expert overhead solutions, trust Access.